Perez, and I am currently a fifth-year environmental engineering major. I am going to graduate this May 2016, and I am also currently taking Engineering 191 professional seminar. And this is my video project on my term paper. I decided to write on how to redesign the library. The Cooligan library is currently doing a great job, but I don't think it's doing the job that it should be doing, and it's not reaching its full potential. With that being said, I have been here for the past 5 years, and for the past 5 years I've been able to see the library grow. I've been able to see students go in and out. I've been able to see what the library is used for. It is the central hub for this university, and a lot of people use it to study, but at the same time a lot of people use it to do recreational stuff. They go there and watch TV shows, they go there to hang out before classes ends, and unfortunately it's grown so much that it is very loud for students to study. I myself usually tend not to study in the library because it is just simply too loud. So this kind of touches home, and I want to be able to make something or change the way the library is currently being used so that students can actually study and get stuff done. The library plays a really important role in students, and it allows us to increase our knowledge and increase our ability to retain information from our classes. So if we don't have a library that does a good job at this, we need to be able to change that. And what I am proposing is to use noise cancelling headphones or earmuffs that would be placed at every single seat within the library. That way students can have their own form of a quiet environment for them to study and to be able to do whatever they want. If the library isn't doing the right job at making it a quiet place to study, then maybe we can add this and redesign the seats so that the students can find this wherever they are, no matter if they are in the quiet room. So the library currently has a McFadden library quiet room where it's on the 4th floor, and students can go there to find a quiet environment. But unfortunately, in my books, a library is supposed to be quiet in general, not just one floor. So with that, I am proposing to use these earmuffs, these noise cancelling earmuffs, to create this environment wherever students may be. Now to talk about the economics behind this. So I'm going to go over the budget analysis and what the entire project will consist of. So the subtotal is $8,956. It is a little bit less than $10,000, and this is for a total quantity of 400 noise cancelling earmuffs. And the reason I chose 400 is there are 4 floors in the library. The first one is a lantern, so that one does not have any seats for students to study in. However, the second, third, and fourth do. And the second one has about 150 seats where students can study, and the other 2 have about the same range. But I averaged the entire seats out to about 400 seats in total. So the noise cancelling earmuffs individually cost about $17.97, so that's a subtotal of $7,188. I introduced a set of earmuff covers since we might run into the issue that the earmuffs are going to be unsanitary, or that they're going to be able to carry bacteria or sorts of things like that, since a lot of different students will be using it. So these covers will be able to be washed as in a washer and dryer. So that will be able to be reused, which is good for the environment, sustainability, and all those type of ethics that go behind that. So for the earmuff covers, they are $22.50 for a set of 100. So for 400, that is about $360. I also introduced a solid brass body padlock for protective services, so that the earmuffs won't be stolen by students or anyone that will be in the area. So for the padlocks, they're about $3.52. That comes out to a total of $1,480. So when we add all this up, it comes out to $8,956. So this is a small price to pay for the large impact that it will have on students. The ethics behind this is that the library is supposed to be a place where students can go to study, learn, and have a quiet environment for themselves so that they can be able to succeed academically. But unfortunately, the library is currently not doing that. So we need to be able to change that